Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Tango account using your phone number. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tango application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged in already, you will see two different options to log in. You can either continue with your Google account or tap on the More option in order to continue with phone. Tap on Continue with phone and you will be asked to enter your number. Just type in your phone number and choose your country code as well. And after typing it in, tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone through SMS. So just check your SMS and you will find this verification code. Enter this verification code within the given box, and now this will sign you in to your account on Tango right away. You will be taken into the Explore page where you can start exploring through various different profiles with which you can start chatting. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Tango account using your phone number. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.